So guys, here's our another video about the solution. So in today's video, I give you a solution. Okay, so now in Python Dsa. So please like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also. And please access my Python playlist and bookmark it also. And please, if you like this video, so please share with your friends this video. So now I do not take a long time. Let's move to the computer screen and let's see what is the solution. And now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. About solution, like I have told you, now let me give you a solution of that. So now let me give you. First of all, if you state the problem clearly and identify the input and output formats. While this problem is stated clearly enough, it always useful to try and express in your own words in a way that makes it most clear for you. It's perfectly okay if your description overlaps with the original problem statement to a large extent. I have one question for you. Please express the problem in your own words below. To edit this cell, double click on it. Okay. What you can do, please express this problem with your own words. Okay. This is your first question. And second question is, the function you write will take one input called nums. What does it represent? Give an example. First of all, then give me one example of second question, give me the input. Then another third question is, please give me the function you write and you return a single output called rotations. What does it represent? Please give me an example and also give me an example of that, like output third rotations. Okay. This based on above, we can create a signature of our function like this. Here you can see it like this, def count rotation nums. Okay. Pass. After each step, remember to save your notebook. Okay, please save your notebook. Number 2, come up with some example input and output to cover all each cases. Okay. Our function should be able to handle any set of valid inputs we pass into it. Here's a list of some possible variations we might encounter. First is a list of size 10 rotated 3 times. A 10, like 10 is rotated 3 times. Number 2, a list of size 8 rotated 5 times. Number 3, a list that wasn't rotated at all, means it not wasn't rotated at all. Number 4, a list that was rotated just once, only just once had it rotated. Number 5, a list that was rotated n-1 times, where n is size of the list. Okay. Number 6, a list that was rotated n times. Do you get back the original list here? This is one question. Number 7, an empty list. Empty list. Number 8, a list containing just only one element. Like this is the list. It's containing only the one item. Number 9, can you think of any more? This is my 8 points I have told you. If you have think of any more, so you can also here you can explain me. We will express our test cases as dictionaries to test them easily. As each dictionary will contain 2 keys: input, a dictionary itself, and containing one key for each argument to the function, and output the expected result from the function. Here's an example. This is one example. Here you can see it like test. Then in the curly brackets there is in the single comma there is input, and in the nums here in the square brackets there is some figures like 19, 25, 29, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 14 and many much more. And that here you can see it. We can text the function by passing the input to it directly or by using the evaluate test case function from Ryan. This is one example here you can see. And here you can see it. Let's create one test case for each of the scenarios listed above. We store our test cases in an array called tests. Okay, so here you can see it. I have give you the solution of this is problem. Here you can see it, and in the next video I give you the method, and in the next video I give you the problem of this, but in today's video I have told you the solution. So now I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I meet you next class, and next very amazing class of like this, and please access my Python Dsa playlist and please bookmark it. And your one surprise is coming about Python Ds on Python. One surprise is coming like in the Google in here. Like you will be when I will go to Google, I write like code with PK, and when I write like code with PK, in the community section I will be post one poll like which big videos should I upload on my channel, tell me. So there is 67% people say 12 hours Python course, 11% says Figma do HTML, CSS, JavaScript, 11% says HTML, CSS and JavaScript, HTML and CSS, 11% says HTML and CSS. Okay, but I am uploading 12 hours and Python course very soon. Okay, soon I have soon as possible I will be upload 12 hours of Python code. Get ready for that. And now in today's video I tell you about that. So now I meet you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.